It's noon on this Monday. Today is an alert day. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect for counties north of Interstate 20. This includes Walker, Winston, Lamar, Marion, Coleman, Etowah, Blount, even up toward Marshall County and counties in the Huntsville area. Severe thunderstorms already moving in from the west. They are really heavy. You can see the lightning and the rainfall moving pretty quickly across North Alabama, affecting Lauderdale, Colbert, Limestone counties, now moving into Huntsville. But here in Birmingham, WVTM 13 Live Doppler is keeping us dry. We're kind of waiting our turn for the storms to develop and arrive around here. Today is an alert day really across much of the southeast. There are storms stretching all the way up toward Carolinas. There's a boundary here, and these storms are developing ahead of this boundary, and it acts as better forcing for us to get storm development. We have the heat and moisture needed, and so a little bit of lift and storms really get going. It's dangerous heat today, so that's another reason it is an alert day. But the big deal is the storms, and with these storms today, impacts are damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Seriously dangerous. Quarter-size hail a possibility with the tallest thunderstorms, and of course lightning with any storm is very dangerous. This is a look at the outlook for today. So you'll notice northeast counties like Etowah, Blount, St. Clair, these counties have the better risk at seeing severe storms. But here in Birmingham and then even further to the south and west, Tuscaloosa down to Greene County, still any storms today very strong and capable of producing damage, especially with the wind gusts. I think the window for storms in northwest Alabama, of course, it's open now as these storms continue to move in. Lasts through 3 p.m. today, 4 p.m., and then they'll continue gliding south and east, affecting us after lunchtime here in Birmingham. And then further south, they still get the storms, but they will get them much later after 3 p.m., closer to the evening hours. This is what your forecast looks like through the rest of today. Ahead of any storms, it is very hot. It's miserable outside. It's hot and humid. Temperatures climb through the 90s. We're already in the 90s now here in Birmingham. Think severe storms get here after lunchtime for us here in Birmingham, and of course continue gliding south. This is a look at the heat advisories and excessive heat warnings today. Jefferson County, Tuscaloosa, Pickens, and then down further south, heat and excessive heat warning today as the feels like approaches values close to 110. That is the true forecast feels like this afternoon, and I do think the counties to the south and west could get there. Up here and then even further north, because of the storms already moving in and the cloud cover, may not get as hot as we could get, but nevertheless it is still hot and humid already today. Just step outside, and that is storm fuel for today. Today is an alert day. Make sure that you're staying weather aware. You're watching WVTM 13 News.